Hello friends, this is Girish, and in this presentation I will talk about AI for business. So let's get started. This is AI for business part 3. Let's look at traditional AI. Before that, here is a brief intro to AI history. 1950s is when AI was born, and the term artificial intelligence was coined by John McCarthy. By 1970s, which is almost 20 years, AI winter has arrived as it did not meet expectations and there was a lack of funds, even though Prolog programming language was created to develop AI application. 1990s, or rather we can say late 1990s, was when advent of internet created availability of datasets to spur advances in machine learning, with IBM Deep Blue defeating chess world champion Garry Kasparov. Next decade saw the rise of big data and deep learning term was coined, with IBM Watson winning the quiz show Jeopardy, which requires natural language and knowledge representation. By 2010, or the decade of 2010, AI-powered virtual assistant such as Apple Siri, Google Assistant, and Amazon's Alexa were available in daily life, with Google DeepMind AlphaGo defeating professional Go player Lee Sedol, and also Transformer architecture was born. Also, OpenAI GPT-2 LLM was showing some significant advancement by this time. Finally, by 2020s, GPT-3 was released. Of course, GPT-4 also has arrived. And in November 2022, ChatGPT created a buzz and triggered major adoption of generative AI, with arrival of Copilot and Gemini in the same year, the following year basically, but Copilot and Gemini arrived in the same year. So let's look at what is AI. AI stands for artificial intelligence, and it is the overall umbrella which covers machine learning and deep learning. AI is the ability for the computer to act and think like human using machine learning and deep learning. Now, ML can make computer to learn and adopt from data so that it can make prediction using algorithms and statistical model. DL or deep learning is subset of ML which can make prediction using neural network. So let's understand better. Let's look at human intelligence versus artificial intelligence. Humans go through observation, and it can be many other forms of observation, but observation, and they learn from it and they can perform the task. Similarly, AI uses data and then either it's machine learning or deep learning. It learns from it and it can perform the task. Let's look at artificial intelligence category, which are narrow intelligence, general intelligence, and super intelligence. Narrow intelligence is mostly single task oriented. It is trained on a specific task, it is specific to a domain, and it fully exists now. General intelligence is smart as human. It has ability to generalize, it can work across domain, and that also almost exists now. Super intelligence will be smarter than human. It will have ability to self-learn. It will be able to think and make decision, but it does not fully exist yet. It's coming. Data is critical for AI. So let's look at some of the data format type. Data format is essentially classified into 3 types: structured data, unstructured data, and semi-structured data. Structured data involves, usually is in the form of table, fixed format, text-based file, CSV spreadsheet. It's highly organized. Unstructured data, all your image, audio, video, text, PDF document, email, social media content. So it's not so much organized. Semi-structured data is generated by XML, JSON files, server logs, sensor output, which are mostly loosely organized. Now let's look at some of the AI example in daily life. For example, any email software is heavily embedded with AI, providing autocorrect and auto suggestion, along with spam detection, which helps improve productivity. There are recommendation mechanisms embedded in various platforms for watching movie or video along with listening to music as recommended on user watch list or preferences. In online shopping, product search and product recommendation are key for customer to complete their shopping quickly, which helps improve customer experience. AI is heavily embedded in navigation maps, which are used for directions along with traffic updates, which in turn helps improve efficiency by taking optimized route. In social media, news feed and relevant content are common phenomena these days and help users to optimize their time by watching relevant content. Let's look at AI project type. So what is the AI project? AI project using agile framework revolves around requirement analysis, exploratory data analysis, model building, model testing, model deployment, and model support. And all these core steps are well supported by requirements management, project management, data management, release management, change management, service management. Now, AI project type can mostly fall into analytics, machine learning, and deep learning. Analytics is fundamental to any project and can include descriptive, predictive, diagnostic, or prescriptive analytics. Machine learning, which deals mostly with structured data, can include supervised learning, unsupervised learning, or reinforcement learning type of project. Deep learning, which uses neural network with unstructured data, can include computer vision or NLP-based project. Now, analytics is fundamental to any AI project. And depending upon whether business problem involves structured data, where machine learning can be the option, or if it is unstructured data, where deep learning using neural network is best option. Let's look at data analytics type, which involves descriptive, diagnostic, predictive, and prescriptive. So descriptive analytics helps business to extract insights from data and get answer to what has happened. Diagnostic analytics helps the business in solving critical challenges by answering if something has happened, then why did it happen? And the root cause behind that. Predictive analytics is all about forecasting. It helps businesses utilize the insights driven from descriptive and diagnostic analytics to predict what will happen next, by leveraging statistical and machine learning models. Prescriptive analytics advises business on all possible outcomes by answering what should be done. Now, machine learning type projects can be broadly categorized into three types: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning projects. There's also something called as semi-supervised learning, which falls between supervised and unsupervised. Supervised learning deals with labeled data. By default, it's a task driven. So regression and classification are the best example. Unsupervised learning deals with unlabeled data. It's a data driven, so it will be used for clustering or association kind of analysis or projects. Reinforcement learning, deals with feedback data. So it's more of a robotics and gaming and things like that, self-driving car, experience driven. So these are the three types in machine learning. Let's quickly look at deep learning type. It has various forms, but three most commonly used are artificial neural network, convolutional, and recurrent neural network. Artificial neural network is very similar to the machine learning, but here it can deal with unstructured data. So regression, classification, clustering, it's like one layer. As we say, deep learning, it's about how many layers it is deep. So here it can be like a very simple neural network. Then we have convolutional neural network, which is known as CNN. It is for computer vision, image classification, object detection, image recognition, anomaly detection. So this is very common for all the problems with images. Recurrent neural, which is known as RNN, recurrent neural network. So it deals with NLP, natural language processing. So basically text classification, language translation, speech recognition, and all the chatbot. Let's look at Smart Street top choice. This is one section where we will talk about what is the top choice we have in different areas. Top choice for data visualization. So we have Tableau, Power BI, and Looker Studio, which I will share some information via quick demo. And then we have top choice for data platform, because data is fundamental to AI. So this is like a data infrastructure platform, you can say, something like on Databricks, Snowflake, Microsoft Fabric. These are the top choice. So this is tableau.com, the number one data visualization platform, I would say. So it has got the cloud version and the desktop version. There is a free version and a paid version. So the free one is called as Community Edition, and you can do a lot of work with the free version also. So it's got all these products here, the solution by industry, department, technology. It's got a lot of resources. You can actually learn a lot from their website. If I show you the pricing here, you can see here there is a different options here. But let's look at the website. You can create different visualization. Let me show you some example. Let's go here. It's got some demos here. This is the kind of architecture, but feel free to explore. So this is Microsoft's Power BI. It's also it has got the cloud version and the desktop version, and it basically gets you very similar kind of interface, but it's integrated with Microsoft ecosystem, Microsoft Cloud. So it's got a lot of built-in integrations. You can access any kind of data set, and you can create different dashboards. Basically, it's a data visualization. So it's got the free account, so you can get started. And that's definitely a plus point here, because it's integrated with Microsoft ecosystem. So this is Looker Studio by Google. It used to be called as Data Studio, but now it is called as Looker Studio. And it has the cloud version, because it's Google, so you can it's very well integrated with your Gmail, and you can get started quickly. The free version is good enough, and you can create various visualizations. It's got the templates and all that. Very easy to use, I would say, this one. Yeah, it's very well integrated with the Google ecosystem once again, and it's one of the quickest and easiest to get started. So this is databricks.com. As you can see, it's about managing the data, your AI, your future. And basically it has the Databricks data intelligence platform, right? Databricks bring AI to your data to help you bring AI to the world. So they say that. So succeed with AI, democratize insights, drive down cost. So you can go here, explore the platform. You can try for free. That's the beauty of it. You can look at this. What it basically consists is the unified governance, unified data. So the business intelligence, data warehouse, AI and data science, ETL and real-time analytics, orchestrations, all these are definitely part of this. So explore this. This is a good one. So it covers all the aspects, whether it's data engineering, data governance, data science. So this is snowflake.com or snowflakes, right? So it's also about the data platform. If you see here, it has all the workloads here: AI, ML, applications, collaboration, data engineering, data lake, data warehouse. These are the capabilities it brings. And if we go further to explore the platform, so they got this all the information here. And I want to show you also the platform, but I think they don't have it here. We can directly go from here, possibly. Let's look at the platform. Just have a quick one. Yeah, so if you see, this is what I was trying to just show you. It consists of. It's very modular and very well organized architecture, flexible architecture for all the formats here: cloud, on-prem, open formats, structured, semi-structured, unstructured data. Feel free to explore. And so this is also one of the good one. This is Microsoft Fabric. This is also one of our choice for the data platform. And it's got all the bells and whistles. Of course, it includes Power BI here, but it has integrated, the complete ecosystem from a data lifecycle perspective. So it's a data integration, data engineering, data science, data warehouse, everything in one place, like a unified platform. So feel free to explore, and these are definitely some of the top ones. There are many, but this is the top 3 I wanted to highlight. Thank you so much for your time, and looking forward to connect and collaborate. Thanks again. Have a good one. Bye.